Mercedes Benz GLC Class 250 Coupe 2022, changes. Hi there, pleasant to this website. This information is however limited to gossip. But, the 2022 Mercedes Benz GLC is a fantastic luxury compact SUV. The GLC has a delicious and calm interior with cozy seating, bedroom for all 5 passengers, and a large cargo region. It senses nimble and constructed when driving on winding highways, yet still it is nonetheless stress-free on the daily drive. Several engine choices are obtainable, including 255 to 503 horsepower, and all hustle the GLC up to pace immediately. The GLC even offers a consumer-hospitable infotainment system, and it comes down equipped with a lot of regular security and technology capabilities. Competition. The Mercedes Benz GLB is an interesting choice to the GLC. The GLB is about the exact same size as the GLC, and it provides an equivalent infotainment system and quite a few of the exact busy security features. The GLB surpasses the Mercedes Benz GLC Class 250 Coupe 2022 in conditions of benefit, such as a reduced starting up price by about $6,600. Additionally, it has a marginally roomier cargo region, and it is suggested with a 3-row seating, doing the GLB one of the couple of 8-seaters in the luxury compact SUV class. Nevertheless, the GLB's cabin components are not as wonderful as the GLC's, and its engine performance is additional sedate. Examination. Travel each of these Mercedes-Benz SUVs to see which you opt for. The Mercedes-Benz GLE is a luxury midsize SUV, and it includes a couple of positive aspects more than the GLC. The GLE has a roomier interior with chairs for up to several travelers. There are a much bigger cargo spot and weightier duty towing potential. The GLE in addition has far more lux facilities like a cabin airflow perfume system and heated car seats. Equally, the GLE and GLC have in the same way powerful engine collection, as very well as a lot of the identical technician and security features. What you have to get from 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC class. The technical engineers at Mercedes have shown a spectacular craft in resetting up their 2022 model of the Mercedes-Benz GLC Class 250 Coupe 2022. The SUV design looks on the way to a unique street position, featuring a high position and rejuvenated entrance fascia. The leading display is stipulated with a reduced headlight design, rejuvenated grille, and kept up to date all-around reduced fascia to update the exterior look from the entry of the SUV. The rear hang-up is also stipulated with encouraged lighting and famous 2-blade grille mixed nicely to generate long-lasting effects on the commute. The interior of the Mercedes-Benz GLC Class 250 Coupe 2022 is seen as a restored stupendous cabin setting, allowing it to be one of the plushest and opulent SUVs in the competition. The vehicle is composed of an remarkable cabin style that is ergonomic, effectively padded, huge, and at the identical time will allow a vehement space for convenience and ease. Introducing benefit to the cabin appearances are a substantial range of regular MB-Tex leatherette with recommended premium synthetic leather covers that affirms for opulence and coziness in most function. The chairs of the Mercedes-Benz GLC Class 250 Coupe 2022 provide an enormous sitting capability with no one eventually left for extra room or space. The SUV makes it possible for an adequate place for a number of adults, which can be lengthy for several travelers effortlessly. The front side chairs are power variable with 3-way lumbar assistance as typical, as well as supplemental airflow and heated up chairs as additional. The latest and the impending variation of the Mercedes-Benz GLC Class 250 Coupe 2022 is not ranked by the NHTSA or the IIHS. Having said that, safe practices is definitely the sector that the Germans have in no way damaged with. So, the likeness is shown with the Merc, which bears an assortment of normal and recommended capabilities to showcase the safe practices components of the SUV as the topmost main concern. 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC Class Specification. Mercedes Benz GLC Class 250 Coupe 2022 is preloaded with a vast 2.0L bi-turbo inline several engine setup that increases out 255 horses of power and 273 lb-ft of torque. The engine may not be the fastest, check out the AMG GLC 63 because of this. The base GLC having its inline 4 is not too uninteresting to commute, for it really has been tuned to give rear ideal in-class driving knowledge in both the community or the roadways and come back excellent mileage. There is a 9-quickness automatic transmission added to the setup, then exchanges the large power of the SUV to the rear tires. Mercedes Benz GLC Class 250 Coupe 2022 does extremely properly in the portion and prospects the charts with the utmost 255 horses of power and 273 lb-ft of torque included above the top in Class 9 performance automatic transmission system. It is additionally then the Volvo XC60 T5 Momentum, Audi Q5 Premium Quattro, and the BMW X3 xDrive 30i. Stipulated in excess of a 2.0L bi-turbo inline 4 engine arrangement, the GLC 300 executes decently even though protecting the 60 mph run in 5.8 mere seconds, and the quarter distance manage in mere 14.6 moments. As a result, a comfortable SUV that is not the fastest of all, however handbags the next place amongst its competing firms and produces a good quality performance in the section. The fuel ingestion statistics of the Mercedes-Benz GLC Class 250 Coupe 2022 are fairly class common when evaluated to most of its opponents. Raised by a 2.0L bi-turbo inline 4 engine built in more than a 9-velocity automatic transmission system, the SUV presents approximately 21/28/24 mpg scores in the metropolis/freeway/coupled periods. How much the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC Class price? The Mercedes-Benz GLC Class 250 Coupe 2022 has a $43,200 beginning price. That is on the high conclude of the luxury compact SUV class. The price increases to $59,900 for the sporty AMG GLC 43 model, and it climbs to $73,900 for the high-performance AMG GLC 63 model.